Hey, hey, what's up? Happy Sunday. Now we're driving, heading to church. The road is wet. It's kind of slippery. Pero wala naman traffic. Kaya sarap mag-drive. Oopsie, rocky. So medyo makulimlim ang weather ngayon. Check the weather, see? Medyo makulimlim. Medyo positive to pero cloudy. Cloudy nga ba? Tama? Tama naman doon. Hindi cloudy. Parang madilim lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan.
Cloudy nga.
Ha?
Cloudy.
Cloudy, di ba? So, ito yung cloudy dito sa Canada. Tapos may snow. Tapos hindi ko na yung diretso kasi nga mag-amber na. Hinto tayo. Mahirap nang beating the red light. It's 500 because I've been paid that one before. And then no, it's 400 something. But I remember I did not pay in the right day, so I pay little more. Yeah, it cost me 500 more, 500 something like that. So if you are driving, make sure don't hit the red stoplight, but hit my YouTube account, okay? Anyway, yun nga, today is Sunday. Let's enjoy it. Yung mga tulog pa dyan, gising na. Gising na guys. Sunday ngayon, kailangan natin mag-church. Alam ko mahirap gumising kasi tingnan mo naman yung weather, sarap matulog, sarap gumiga lang. But syempre hindi laging ganon, lalo na kung i-bless tayo ni Lord. So kailangan natin magpasalamat for the goodness, for the blessing, everything that God has gave us every day. Life, yun po. So wake up guys. Good morning, good morning. It's Jojo Vlog. Wala man lang yung camera sa akin. Yung cameraman ko wala, tulog pa yata. Ay, pag mga ganun, pag mga focus mo sa akin, mahina yun ko. Kala ko ba gusto mong sumikat? Di kita next sasama sa vlog ko pag ganyan ka. Dapat pag nagpa-vlog yung asawa mo, aware ka.
Oh, ikaw na.
Hirap sa'yo eh. Hindi supportive eh. Diba guys? Yung sa YouTube, yung talagang alam nung cameraman kung saan siya tututok, kung saan siya
Ganito ba katutok?
basta yun, driving. Diba? Alam niyo yan. So, sumasagot pa. Hindi na lang. Ay. Yeah. Sumunod sa director, scriptwriter, actor eh. Diba guys? Anong dapat eh? Ayan.
I resigned.
You're not resigned. Gonna fire you. So, it's a joke. Pinapatawa ko lang kayo ngayong umagang ito. I make you laugh this Sunday. Para naman you get energy when you wake up this morning. Anyway, maybe my wife she need more gasoline. Maybe she wants Starbucks or Tim Hortons. So maybe she will treat us this morning. Yeah. Okay. we will go to Starbucks. Para makapag... Oo nga pala. Hey Starbucks, I'm just promoting you here in my vlog. If you want to more recognize using my blog, let me know. Just email my account. It's jolanlumba@gmail.com. So even I can make a blog for you or videos. Let me know if how many minutes you want me to make for your video. We can talk about the price. So yeah, just email me or contact me in my number. Here's my my number. It's 780-604-4749. Let me call anytime during the weekdays, okay? Not the weekdays because I'm so busy. My schedules are always full. Maybe I can accommodate you, right? So that's why I just give you this information. I'm free and I'm willing to talk to you for that matters. Right, Starbucks? Eh, yun lang. Okay, anyway, kailangan natin kasi ng ano eh.
Sikat ito.
Kailan? By the way, Starbucks, I'm not yet monetized. So,
Popular ito.
wait. I'm not yet. Anyway,
Ikaw na talaga.
mga ka-vlog, mga ka-WhatsApp, yun nga, nakalimutan ko na sasabihin ko.
May script ba ito?
Yan, na-block ko tuloy ako. Yun nga, sabi nga nung mga vlogger na iba kailangan isa yan sa mga para magkaroon tayo ng tawag dito. Tawag nilang parang income yata income. Parang strategy kahit maliit pa lang yung mo, yung YouTube account. Meron kang income. Let's see. Susubukan natin yan. Kaya nga kinokontak natin ang Starbucks. Last night we just go to Subway. I forgot to do some vlog or videos for Subways. We just get videos outside when we just like
Tama na, cut na mo na.
going to
Cut.
Cut agad daw. Sige na, cut daw. I'm driving. See you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Facebook account. Facebook account is JL Kian Turlao, and my YouTube channel is Jojo Black. See you guys. Keep safe, guys, and God bless everyone. See you. Bye bye.